Welcome to our deep dive into one of the most exciting investment landscapes today, India's infrastructure boom. Today, we're exploring how India is rapidly transforming its infrastructure, particularly focusing on two pivotal sectors, green energy and digital connectivity. This content is for investors, tech enthusiasts, and anyone interested in global economic shifts. Understanding these developments will offer insights into future market trends and significant investment opportunities. India is on an unprecedented path of infrastructure development. From sprawling highways to advanced urban centers, the nation is building at a pace never seen before. But beyond traditional infrastructure, two specific areas are taking center stage: green energy, vital for sustainability, and digital infrastructure, the backbone of India's digital future. Let's first talk about green energy, a sector driven by India's bold commitment to a sustainable future. India has set an ambitious target: achieving net zero emissions by 2070. This commitment isn't just a promise. It's a monumental undertaking driving massive investments in renewable energy sources. This ambition necessitates a dramatic shift towards renewable energy sources like solar and wind, coupled with robust energy storage solutions to ensure grid stability and efficiency. Across the nation, vast solar parks and towering wind farms are emerging, transforming India's energy landscape and significantly contributing to its clean energy goals. Now let's pivot to digital infrastructure, the unsung hero powering India's digital transformation. Data centers are the nerve centers of India's digital economy. They are essential for processing the enormous amounts of data generated daily, underpinning everything from e-commerce to government services. The rapid rollout of 5G networks is revolutionizing connectivity, enabling faster internet speeds and supporting new innovations, profoundly impacting communication and business across the country. Equally vital is the expansion of fiber optic connectivity, reaching even the most remote areas. This ensures universal access to digital services, bridging the digital divide. Together, these digital infrastructures are creating a fertile ground for India's burgeoning AI ecosystem, providing the computational power and connectivity needed for AI development and deployment. Given these incredible developments, it's no surprise that private equity and venture capital funds are heavily investing in these sectors. Green energy and digital infrastructure offer highly attractive investment opportunities, characterized by strong growth potential and government support. Investors are drawn by India's massive market size, favorable regulatory environment, and the sheer scale of the infrastructure projects underway, promising significant long-term returns. Current investment trends show a clear preference for scalable green tech solutions and robust digital backbone projects, driven by increasing demand and a supportive ecosystem. So what does the future hold for India's green and digital infrastructure? Experts project continued exponential growth, positioning India as a global leader in both renewable energy and digital transformation, with immense opportunities for innovation and investment. India's strategic focus on these two pillars is not just about domestic growth. It's about cementing its position as a key player in the global sustainable and digital economy. We hope this overview has shed light on India's exciting infrastructure journey. If you're interested in learning more or exploring investment opportunities, follow our channel for deeper dives into specific sectors.